In the Apipheny add-on, you'll see this note underneath the API URL path field. What this means is that it's possible for you to stack multiple endpoints or URLs in a single request. This feature is called URL stacking. Using this feature, you can press Run just once and get all the data you need in a single sheet. With a bit of effort and creativity, you can use this feature to really simplify your daily data tasks. No more flipping through sheets, just to collate data. All you need is one well-organized sheet. In this tutorial, we will show you 3 example use cases for this feature. Stacking different URLs. If you want to import data from multiple APIs into one sheet, you can input each URL one by one into the API URL path field. Just make sure to press Enter after inputting a new URL to create a new line, since it will not work unless the URLs are on separate lines. Using multiple URLs from different APIs allows you to collate data from various sources. If you're a digital marketer, you can use this feature to look at and interact with data from different acquisition channels at the same time. Stacking different endpoints. If you need data from different endpoints of a single API, you can use this feature to consolidate the data of all the different endpoints into a single sheet. Just input each endpoint on a separate line, click Run, and you're good to go. If, for example, you're a cryptocurrency trader that uses data from CoinMarketCap, you can stack various endpoints such as the latest market data, historical market data, metadata, and more. Running the multi-endpoint request imports all the data into a single sheet. Stacking URLs for pagination. URL stacking can also be handy for handling pagination, which is when the API divides the data it sends you into pages. For example, an API might limit itself to sending you only 100 rows of data per request. You can override this rule by stacking the endpoints and attaching the appropriate parameters to ensure that you're getting the right data. In this example, we attach the appropriate parameters to the same endpoint so that we can get 4 pages of data in sequence. Without the ability to stack URLs, your data might get divided into different sheets. But because it's possible to stack URLs on Apipheny, you can ignore the limitations of pagination and get all your data in one sheet. Congratulations, you now know the different ways to stack URLs in Apipheny. Stacking URLs can be a great tool for satisfying different use cases. We only listed a few examples in this tutorial, but feel free to be creative. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.